Do you ever feel like your mind just won't stop talking? Like there's a never-ending stream of thoughts, worries, and to-do lists playing on repeat? This mental chatter can leave you feeling exhausted, overwhelmed, and disconnected from the present moment. But here's the good news. You have the power to quiet the noise and reclaim your peace. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amratam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Namaste and welcome to day 20 of the ongoing Mahakumbh 2025 Surya Namaskar and Swadhyay series. In this video, I'll show you simple yet powerful techniques that can help you calm the chaos in your mind and bring clarity into your life. Let's dive in. Mental noise. It's that constant stream of thoughts running in the background of your mind. It shows up as overthinking, self-doubt, endless to-do lists, and inner criticism. It keeps you distracted, anxious, and stuck in cycles of worry. But here's the truth. Your mind isn't supposed to be this loud. You're not your thoughts. You are the observer of them. And once you learn how to quiet the mental chatter, you can create space for clarity, focus, and deep inner peace. So how do we silence the noise? The answer lies in practices that bring us back to the present moment. Mindfulness, movement, meditation, and self-reflection. Today I am sharing powerful techniques to help you break free from the mental clutter and reconnect with your inner calm. Number 1. Meditation. Training your mind for stillness. Meditation is one of the most effective ways to quiet mental noise. By simply sitting in stillness and focusing on your breath, you teach your brain to slow down and detach from the constant chatter. Try this. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly. Focus on your breath. How it feels entering and leaving your body. If thoughts arise, don't fight them. Acknowledge them and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Even 5 minutes a day can create noticeable shifts in your mental clarity. The more you practice, the more control you gain over your thoughts. Number 2. Deep breathing. Calming the nervous system. When your mind is racing, your body reacts. Your heart rate increases, your muscles tense, and stress takes over. Deep breathing is a powerful tool to reset your nervous system and bring instant calm. Try this. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Repeat this cycle for a few minutes. As you breathe, notice how your body relaxes and your mind slows down. Deep breathing shifts your focus away from your thoughts and into your physical body. Number 3. Body scan meditation, releasing tension and grounding yourself. Mental noise often manifests as physical tension. A body scan meditation helps you become aware of these tensions and consciously release them. Try this. Lie down or sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Bring your attention to your toes. Notice any sensations, then consciously relax them. Move your awareness up to your legs, stomach, chest, arms, shoulders, and finally your head, relaxing each area as you go. This practice brings you out of your head and into your body, allowing you to experience the present moment fully. Number 4. Mindfulness, training your brain to focus on now. Most mental noise comes from living in the past or worrying about the future. Mindfulness is the practice of bringing your awareness to the present. What's happening right now? Try this. When walking, focus on the sensation of your feet touching the ground. When eating, notice the textures, flavors, and scents of your food. When washing dishes, pay attention to the warmth of the water and the feel of the soap. By training your mind to focus on what's happening now, you naturally quiet the unnecessary mental chatter. Number 5. Journaling, decluttering your thoughts. Sometimes our thoughts become overwhelming simply because they have nowhere to go. Journaling acts as a release valve, helping you get thoughts out of your head and onto paper. Try this. Each morning or night, write freely for 5 minutes. Don't edit, just let your thoughts flow. Write about your worries, your goals, or things you are grateful for. If a thought keeps looping in your mind, put it on paper. It helps you process and release it. Journaling creates mental space and brings clarity, making it easier to silence unnecessary noise. Number 6. Physical movement, releasing stagnant energy. Exercise isn't just for your body, it's for your mind too. Physical movement releases tension, reduces stress hormones, and helps you clear mental fog. Try this. Go for a brisk walk in nature. Stretch or do yoga for 10 minutes. Dance to your favorite music. When you move your body, you shift your mental state. Suddenly, what felt overwhelming before doesn't seem so big anymore. Number 7. Limiting distractions, creating a peaceful environment. In today's digital world, we are constantly bombarded with information. Emails, notifications, social media, news updates. This overload fuels mental noise. Try this. Set time limits on social media and notifications. Create tech-free zones in your day, like the first hour after waking up and the last hour before bed. Declutter your physical space. An organized environment leads to an organized mind. Reducing distractions helps create a mental atmosphere of calm and focus. Number 8. Prayer and spiritual connection, finding deeper peace. For many, Prayer or spiritual connection provides a sense of calm and grounding, whether through formal prayer, reading sacred texts, or simply speaking your thoughts aloud. Connecting to something greater than yourself can bring deep peace. Try this. Start your day with a short prayer of gratitude. Sit in silence and reflect on your spiritual beliefs. Ask for guidance when your mind feels overwhelmed. Connecting with a higher power reminds you that you are supported, helping to quiet anxious thoughts. Your mind is your home. Make it a peaceful place. Mental noise is a habit, but so is peace. The more you practice mindfulness, meditation, movement, and self-reflection, the goal is not to eliminate thoughts altogether, but to train your mind to let go of unnecessary noise and focus on what truly matters. This brings us to the end of today's collective sadhana. Now, I would love to hear from you. What's one technique from today's video that you're going to try? Drop it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little more peace in their life. Until next time, breathe deeply, be present, and keep creating your calm. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kashinduk Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you